Because the microphone was muted. The mic was muted. I'm dumb. Redo update / shout out video. Hey, what is going on, everybody? I am back today with the redo. I'm keeping the other one, so you guys understand this one. Yeah, I'm a fool. Because I have to have this headset plugged into that microphone when I do my computer videos. Wish it was this one! I have to mute this microphone so I don't have to worry about the two mics conflicting with each other, creating a heck fire. I don't like saying the word. Don't say the word in the comments, please. Of sound. And I don't want you guys dealing with that. And I also don't want to deal with that. But yeah, I forgot to unmute. I'm an idiot. Anyways. Nail it. Thank you so much, Nelly the Wolf. I'm saying it as Nelly. I know that's not the spelling of it. For subscribing. I hope you enjoy the videos. If you ever get stuck on a game, let me know in the comments down below, and I will try my best to help you out with said game. I'm unmuted this time. Now, what I said in the last video was big changes. I'm going to be cheating in the rest of the armor for Lover's Relay because it requires 216 material. Just make one set of the armor. That's stupid. Now, I'm gonna be, I'm not cheating in the armor itself. I'm gonna be cheating in the hearts from the ore that I already have. And hopefully I'll have enough. And I will see what is up. See if I can, get my kids some kids by giving them cakes. I don't know. I don't know if that's still a thing. Maybe I just gotta wait. Who knows? Now, this video is obviously going to be 3 minutes. That video was 7 minutes because I don't want to try and repeat everything from the last one. Because that's annoying. But yeah, guys, this is the redo of that update. I'm going to end the actual video here. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I will see you all next time, and goodbye. Love you all.